Okay, we're going to install the GV series doorbell, and first we're going to make sure that we have the right amount of voltage. The doorbell is, I think it's got a range between 12 and 24 volts volts AC. We want to make sure we have enough current. I think the doorbell station is probably pushing closer to half amp. Maybe it's like 0.4 something or whatever. And we're just going to double check the actual current. And on the meter, we're looking at 1.3 amps, so we got plenty of headroom as far as this. And if a chime or something else was put on the installation, then we would still have plenty of current.
So you drill your holes. You got to outline to play with the hole. Bend these. You need to be a little bit straight and out. You need to bend the wires in case they're hooked. Then you take one of those little small cables. You start wrapping around the lead. You put the cap, start twisting to the right. Make sure it gets on there. Give it a quick little tug. Grab your second cable. Wrap it around the other lead, same way. You want to screw the two screws at the back of the camera. You just want to make sure you put the wires in there. Start screwing them in there. So once you get the camera connected to the cables, you just want to slowly maneuver the cables so you don't clip them. Then you slowly push the camera in till it clips in. So if you want to take the camera off, you just get the little key for it. The pin is on top, and you just press it down. And you take the camera off. To this, you just want to connect the power kit to your door chime. You want to fit it to the trans. You just start screwing it in there. Then you get the other wire and connect it to the front.
There's three there. Is that like for front and back doorbell, or what are the three screws?
Yes, it's if you have a rear doorbell.
Oh,
That's what that's for. Since you're just hooking up to the front, you just need to connect the wire to the front side, and then the trans, that's to get the power.
and it doesn't matter which wire goes.
It does not matter which wire.
Okay.
After you got it connected, you just got to find a secure spot, put it inside your housing kit for your chime, and then you just close it back up.